What's up? It's your girl Shireen back with another video. So today I'm actually doing an empty apartment tour. But it's not really empty because my roommate's been here for a minute and we have a bunch of boxes. But I want to show you guys what it looks like before it's fully furnished. So that's what we're gonna do real quick. All right. Okay, so this is my door. Then I have a little scanner thing. I boop, scan. Okay. So this is my apartment. All right, let's start with the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's all like stainless steel, real pretty. All right, so this is an island. Then it's my roommate's room. Washer, dryer, okay. And this is like, it's the coat closet. It's pretty much a utility closet at this point. Okay, and then this is our living room. All right, so this is our balcony. It's pretty spacious and I have a really nice view of the pool. It's freezing outside. I can't believe I actually walked out here. This is my bedroom with a bunch of boxes on the floor. My bedroom is actually pretty like spacious. I have a really nice closet with clothes on the floor. Like I just got in from the airport, but I have a pretty big closet. I just have to unpack everything. And this is the bathroom. Needs to unpack. Hey, it's me. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this sneak peek of my DC apartment. I will be filming actual videos, so stay tuned for the fully furnished apartment tour. But that's about it. If you want to see any other videos, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.